Alright guys, so I have a pretty fun dog breed for you guys today. You guys ever heard of an Alaskan Klee Kai? If I had to describe them, I'd say they look like a mini husky. But we're gonna go ahead and draw our Alaskan Klee Kai's eyes. So we have like this upside down U shape and then a line. And then we'll draw the pupils here. So he's gonna have some pretty big pupils. Awesome. And then we're gonna draw a little circle. Just a little tiny circle. You got it. And then we're gonna draw one more circle. One more circle. And then color in that circle we just drew. And just that one. The other ones are gonna stay the way they are. Color that in. All right, beautiful. Now we're gonna move on to the snout. So we have this little nose, little triangle. We're gonna color that in too. I like to leave just a little bit of it white for a little shine. And then we'll draw this line for the snout. Comes down and up, and then back down. And of course we're going to draw the chin there. We want to make sure we draw the muzzle long enough so that it looks like a dog and not too much like a cat. Because as you can see, we're going to draw some triangle shaped eyes. This dog is really fluffy, so we're going to add some fluff to the inside of the ears here. And then I think this is the most fun part. We're going to draw some more fluff right here. But that's not all. We're definitely gonna add some more. Add some fluff on the top of the head. Zigzag, zigzag. And then we'll add some here. Some big zigzags. It's a really fluffy dog. These guys are so cute. All right, do the same thing here. Doo-doo-doo-doo. And then we're gonna curve down. Alright, probably couldn't have guessed it, but hey, we're gonna draw some more fluff here. Zoop, 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 zoop. Do you guys think he's fluffy enough? Or should we add even more? I think we should add even more. So here's the shoulder. And then here comes the foot. Add a toe, another toe, and then we're gonna add this part here. We're gonna add some more fluff. Boop, boop, and then connect it on in right there. There we go. All right, let's draw this foot right here. Basically the same thing as before. So we're just gonna get some extra practice drawing some legs here. So here we go. Toe, toe, a little more fluff, and then connect. Beautiful, guys. So we're more than halfway done. This part's easier. Draw the belly, which is also very fluffy. And then the hind leg curve line, and then comes down. So you can see it's about the same distance as the front legs. And then another toe. And then one more toe. Now this part's gonna be really fluffy. So fluff, fluff, more fluff, and boop. And then we'll connect it on in. Oh my goodness, he's so fluffy. Be like that girl from Minions movie. So fluffy. Okay, last foot. Boop, boop, and then up. And there we have it. Now he just needs his back and his tail. So here comes the tail. Boop. It's gonna curl. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, I just love that tail. Oh my goodness. And then last but not least, we'll draw that connecting line for the back, and we are done, guys. Isn't he so adorable? You can go ahead and color him in. He's gonna be colored the same way as a husky would be. Beautiful blue eyes, black on top, white on the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you